How to add multiple stops in Lyft. If you have been using the Lyft application and wondering on how to add multiple stops on your destination, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the Lyft application. Just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this. So first, you need to enter your first destination. Now tap on to destination and add your first destination. Then here you can find plus button right here, select it. So here is the add stop, so tap on it and add another destination just like this. So this is how you can simply add multiple stops. After that, simply tap on to check mark and tap on to confirm and get your ride. And that's it. This is how you can add multiple stops in Lyft. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.